I have a severe headache. What medicine should I take? Jack, do you have a minute?
Sure, Molly. What's wrong?
I have a really bad headache. It started this morning.
Oh no. Is it very painful?
Yes, it's quite strong. I can't focus on my work.
Did you drink enough water today?
Not really. I only had 1 cup of coffee.
That might be part of the problem. You need more water.
Maybe, but the pain is still there right now.
Do you have any headache medicine at home?
No, I don't. I usually don't get headaches.
There's a pharmacy near the office. Do you want to go?
Yes, please. I really need something for the pain.
Okay, let's go now. It's a 5-minute walk.
Thank you, Jack. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Let's get you some fresh air too.
Good idea. The light in here is making it worse.
We're here. Let's go inside.
Excuse me. I need some help, please.
Of course. What happened?
I have a severe headache. I don't know what to take.
How long have you had it?
Since this morning, it's getting worse.
Do you feel any other symptoms, like nausea or dizziness?
A little dizzy, but no nausea.
Have you taken any medicine today?
No, nothing yet.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, we have a few options for headaches.
What kind of options?
There are tablets and also a liquid form.
Which one works faster?
The liquid usually works a bit faster.
That sounds good. How much does it cost?
The tablets are $8 and the liquid is $10.
I'll take the liquid then.
Good choice. How many doses do you need? We have small and large boxes.
What's the difference?
The small box has 6 doses. The large one has 12.
I'll take the small box. I don't need too much.
Sure. Anything else you need?
Actually, do you have anything for dizziness too?
Let me check. One moment, please.
Take your time.
I'm sorry, we don't have anything specific for that right now.
Oh, that's a bit disappointing.
But resting and drinking water usually helps with dizziness.
Okay, that makes sense.
Would you like a bottle of water as well?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here you go! That's 1 bottle of water!
Thank you. How much is that in total?
The liquid medicine is $10 and the water is $2.
So that's $12 total?
Yes, exactly $12.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards and cash.
I'll pay by card, please.
Sure, one moment. Please insert your card here.
Okay, done.
Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Should I take it now?
Yes, you can take it right after eating something small.
I haven't eaten anything since breakfast.
That's not good. Taking it on an empty stomach isn't recommended.
I don't have any food with me right now.
There's a small shop next door. You could get a snack there.
Good idea. I'll go check it out.
I'll wait for you outside.
Okay, I won't be long. I found some crackers. That should be enough.
Perfect. Eat a few, then take the medicine.
All right, let me sit down for a moment.
There's a bench right there.
Great, let's sit. Okay, I ate a few crackers.
Now you can take the medicine.
How much should I take?
Check the label. I think it's 1 spoon every 4 hours.
Let me read it. Yes, 1 spoon every 4 hours.
Perfect. Take one now.
Okay, done. It doesn't taste too bad.
That's good. How do you feel?
Still a bit painful, but I think it will help soon.
These things usually take about 20 or 30 minutes.
I hope so. I have a meeting in an hour.
Do you want to rest here for a while?
Yes, maybe 10 minutes would help.
Sure, no rush. I'll stay with you.
Thank you, Jack. You're very kind.
It's no problem at all. We're friends.
I really don't like taking medicine, honestly.
I understand, but sometimes it's necessary.
You're right. I just want the pain to stop.
It will. Just give it a little time.
Okay, let's wait a few more minutes. Actually, I already feel a little better.
Really? That's great news!
Yes, the pain is not as strong now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you for helping me today.
Of course. That's what friends are for.
I should also drink more water every day.
Yes, that's a good habit to start.
I'll try to remember that from now on.
Good. Do you feel ready for the meeting?
I think so. The headache is much better now.
Perfect. Let's head back to the office.
Yes, let's go. Thank you again, Jack.
You're welcome, Molly. I'm glad you feel better.